Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Hi, everybody. My name is Nicoletta Accenti. I'm very excited to be here. I would like to thank you, Parendale Publisher, VNU, and of course, Victim Asia for inviting me to have this speech today. And today I would like to talk about automated flat storage bunkers. In particular, I'm going to be focusing on the non-free-flowing products management, and I'll be presenting a technology that allows you to store these kind of products in an efficient and completely safe way. First of all, let me say a few words about the company I'm representing today. Metalmont is involved in designing and manufacturing of material handling equipment, as well as of solutions for the automation of flat storage warehouses. Metalmont equipment applies both on free-flowing products, like for example grain, or on non-free-flowing products, such as soybean meal, or fertilizers, or ethanol byproducts, and DDGs in general. Metalmont equipment stands out for its safety features, the return on investment, and a reduced carbon footprint. So what does Metalmont actually mean when talking about bunker automation? Basically, we're talking about a combination of conveyors, bucket elevators, and a thing that we call robot leveling system. All this equipment is easily integrated into a PLC. It is fully automated, and it is zero entry. So basically, it is a safer option versus the existent traditional manual options. But let's take a closest look at what actually is a robot leveling system. I have a video for you for this.
Imagine that you have three different products, like for example, rice, soya, and maize. And imagine that you need to fill with them a shed to distribute the product inside of it, and when needed, to unload it. But is it possible to do this without stuff and vehicles entering the shed, preserving so the product and ensuring people's safety? The answer is yes. Installing a handling device that moves up and down, back and forth, and that has some moving paddles on its bottom, you can manage your stored product without even getting inside the shed. So basically, the robot is a solution that allows filling, leveling, and emptying of warehouses. It is totally automated, highly customizable, and very versatile. Managed by your software, the robot allows many automatic activities, such as the loading and leveling cycle, which is achieved thanks to a belt conveyor located under the roof of the shed, and of course thanks to the robot itself. One of the most interesting cycles is the temperature control cycle that makes possible a mapping of the stored product in real time, checking the temperature peaks and intervening in case of potential damage to the product. To unload the warehouse, just open a shutter on the bottom of the shed, and the product will flow directly on the chain conveyor by gravity. And finally, switching on the robot that pushes down the rest of the material, the shed empties. I have asked you to use your imagination many times in this video. Now you can switch your imagination off and watch the robot operating in real life.
So, in terms of application of this system, what's also very interesting is the possibility to store different bulk products inside the same building. As it is divided thanks to some partition walls, it is possible to store, for example, in one section some raw products like soybeans, in a second section soybean meal, and in the third one some pellets. Now let's take a closer look at the application on soybean meal. Here you can see a completely automated bunker with a loading system composed by a chain conveyor. And there is also the robot leveling system himself that helps to, as you can see, distribute evenly the product inside the whole warehouse and to use and maximize the available storage surface as it levels up the product up until the top of the warehouse. If we focus on unloading the bunker, the robot leveling system essentially works as a sweep, pushing the product from one side of the bunker to the other onto a conveyor which is located right under the floor. You can take the product layer by layer vertically, or you can empty the bunker front to back until completely emptying. In the case of non-free flowing products such as soybean meal, which has that tendency to caking, it is particularly useful, this kind of technology, because you can see the robot breaks and scrapes away the product very easily, unlike storing this kind of product in a bin. So let's summarize the main features of an automated bunker versus a traditional bunker where the unloading systems are usually forklifts. First, safety is much higher with this automated system as it is zero entry, unlike traditional system that require operators to run the machinery inside the bunker. In addition, with the automated system, productivity is constant, predictable, and you can virtually work non-stop as you don't depend anymore on the human factor. And finally, there is no use of fossil fuels, so operating costs are reduced and has a much lower carbon footprint. So this is what a Metalmont bunker automation system is in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you for your attention. And if you're interested to get to know more about our solutions, feel free to contact us. We're also exhibiting here at booth E002. So my colleagues and I will be happy to meet you in person and go through any questions you may have. Thank you.